When I came to Geek Camp, I actually didn't know what to expect. You hear about a lot of different incubators. They all service different stages of companies. And what was really a pleasant surprise was how diverse the companies and the stages were that participated in this Geek Camp. You didn't have to have revenue. You could have revenue. You could just have an idea. You could have a prototype already built. And so we got to see a lot of different companies at a lot of different stages and be able to provide value and feedback on how to think about the problem in slightly different ways, bringing our experience from a variety of different industries as mentors, as well as having taken part in a variety of different stages of companies ourselves. One of the most amazing things about every single one of the geeks going through this is the amount of optimism that they bring to the world, and seeing challenges that currently exist and translating those into solutions rather than seeing those as problems that are insurmountable. And I think that's the view that we have in the Silicon Valley by and large, and it's refreshing to see that same view shared across cultures, across continents, and I really want to make sure that that continues going forward, that we don't lose that sense of optimism, that we can change things for the better. There's still some things that the geeks in general really need to change about themselves and transform about themselves. The Chilean market is actually really a small market, and it has its own idiosyncrasies and it has its own limitations. And I think becoming knowledgeable and traveling and gaining the experiences about other cultures, about other economies, and understanding what the challenges are there and what commonalities and stronger companies going forward. Something that's a problem here in Chile will be a problem in Colombia or North America or Europe. And I think the more each geek understands the world at large and how the problems change and are similar, the stronger and stronger the companies will be that come out of Geek Camp. Tomorrow's the first elimination of companies, and all I can say is that every entrepreneur, including myself many times, has failed. And it's not a failing of the person, it's a failing of the idea or of the market or of the timing or some other factor that can be fixed the next time around. And so, you know, the first time I tried to raise money, I didn't raise money. The first time I tried to launch a product into a marketplace and have real customers, I didn't get real customers. It's more about a lifelong journey of trying to solve problems for people than it is about a very specific incubator or batch in an incubator. And so the only advice I can possibly give is to keep trying, hone the idea, improve the timing, or select a different market. But if you keep going at it, you're going to succeed no matter what.